Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ardan Alfarisi, and today I will explain about the communicative language teaching language method. So let's move on for the first point. Definition and origins. So CLT emerged in Europe and the US as a reaction against the audiolingual method, or ALM for short. Then it moved focus away from linguistic structure, or neo Bloomfieldian, toward communicative needs. So CLT it is not a fixed method, but an approach focused on the expression, interpretation, and negotiation of meaning. And it views language ability as functional rather than just structural. So let's move on the key characteristics of CLT. The first is grammatical competence. So in CLT, knowledge of lexical items, syntax, and rules of sentence formation is the core foundation, but it's not the whole thing. And then there is discourse competence. It's the ability to connect sentences together. Can a student tell coherent story or hold conversation that flows, or rather than just producing isolated sentences? And then the next is socio-cultural competence. It is the understanding of the social context, roles, and cultural appropriateness of the language used. And lastly is strategic competence. CLT values the ability to keep the communication channel open even when linguistic knowledge is imperfect. Okay, and next is the benefits of using CLT. The first is real-world application. It engages learners in the pragmatic, authentic, functional use of language, preparing them for a meaningful communication outside of the classroom. And then learner autonomy. It encourages learners to take responsibility for their own learning and language practice strategies. And last is adaptability, because it is an approach and not fixed uh, recipe. It can be adapted to local context and needs rather than imposing a single native speaker norm. Okay, let's move on to the example on teaching vocabulary and pronunciation.
Morning, everyone. Morning, sir. How are you today?
Really?
Okay, I'm going to do that. And today, we're going to do a role play session. And the film is the afternoon rush. So, the scene is you guys are hungry. And you need your afternoon energy boost to improve your productivity. So, before we start, let's start with the vocabulary first. Repeat after me. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Can I have cappuccino, please?
Next. It's cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
I would like a cheeseburger, please.
I would like cheeseburgers.
So there will be three roles. The first one is the barista, and the other two is the customer. So this is the usual phrases that you can use. So repeat after me again. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, what can I get for you?
For dinner or to go?
For here or to go?
That will be.
That will be.
the price. And for customers, could I have a?
Could I have
And how much is the?
how much is the?
And then I'll have the.
I'll have the.
Okay. So before we start, I would like you to discuss it first for maybe 1 minute, and then after that Krishna.
Halo, good morning.
Louder, please.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies. Wait, how can I get for you?
I want to order the drink. Any recommendation?
Okay, so in here we have bestseller. One is cappuccino, and number two is vanilla latte.
I wanna. Can I get a vanilla latte?
Yes, in here or
And
in here?
I want one cappuccino.
Okay, will you take in or you take? Will you take up or get in here?
I want in here.
Alright, that will be $70.
Right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And let's wait for the drinks.
Okay.
Alright, thank you guys. So, that's all for today. Thank you for joining the session.
Okay, that was the example, and thank you for joining the discussion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.